Hey, if you want to transfer files from or to your PC and the Poco F8 Ultra, first of all, you have to start by preparing the USB-C cable. You can use double USB-C cable or USB-C into USB-A. In my case, I'm going to use double USB-C, so if you have such a port on your laptop, you will have to plug it in first into your laptop. There we go. Now this second end of the cable we have to for sure plug into the USB-C port on your Poco F8 Ultra. And now as you can see, you can find this option, this notifications. We have to open this notifications panel, and here we have to click and select that option, charging this device via USB. Click here to expand, and you have to select this option, file transfers / Android Auto. Now, as you can hear, we can find some notification on our laptop. And what we can do, open this file explorer and go into your PC. Go into your Poco F8 Ultra. Here you can find the internal storage of your phone. So right now, if you want to move some files from your phone into your laptop, you have to just select everything that you want. So in my case, let's start. Let's change the view for the first. So I'll go with this details. There we go. And let's say I want to copy the whole folder with my photos. So this is the folder. I have to click on it with the left mouse button, and then with the right mouse button I have to select copy, because I want to keep this data on my phone, but I want to also get access into them on my PC. Now just go to your wallpaper, click to paste the folder. And now we have to just wait for a few moments until the process will be finished. And it looks the same if you want to copy something from your PC into your phone. So as you can see, that's how we can do this step by step.